What's up everyone, greetings from BizTech Solutions. So while Samsung has historically produced the greatest smartwatches for Android phones, Samsung needs to step up their game and create even better goods in order to compete with Google's Pixel Watch, and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could just be able to achieve that. Recently, there has been a lot of talk about the smartwatch, especially its enormous battery. The day we have a ton of fresh information on the Watch 5, we almost doubled off that Watch 4. So let's get started straight now without wasting any time. The color and release date of the watch come first. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro have come to light. John Prosser, who has a stellar reputation, the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, along with their foldables to Z Fold 4 and Flip, will be unveiled at Sun's Keep It Unpack event on August 10th, according to a tweet from the company. The two watches will be available for pre-sale on the same day, and they will become generally available on August 26th. Similar to how the two foldables operate, the Watch 5 is now available in two sizes, 40 and 44 millimeters. The Watch 5 Pro will come in a 46 millimeter version that is even larger, and all of the color possibilities are black and silver. There will be two more variant possibilities in addition to the Watch 5, including pink, gold, and sapphire. The Watch 5 Pro feature allows for a high-end construction made of pricey materials, such as titanium, which is more durable and upscaled than stainless steel, and a sapphire glass for further scratch resistance. You see, we've been moving on. Brand new Apple Watch. The body temperature measuring sensor was believed to be included in the Andy Watch 5 Pro, but according to the CHIO and Apple expert, this decision was made because of specific restrictions. And he said that Samsung may follow suit. That is not the case, it appears. A beta version of the Samsung Health app now displays a toggle for skin temperature during sleep, providing more proof that the Watch 5 will definitely contain a temperature monitoring sensor, as the feature's name implies that it may be used to monitor a person's skin temperature as they sleep, by warning them if they have a fever. The temperature sensor would make the Watch 5, in addition to a variety of other health sensors currently included in the Galaxy Watch, an even more amazing health companion. By the way, this battered iteration of the Samsung Health app verifies branding and the deletion of a beloved function. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro are the names that Samsung will give its new watches. However, there is no mention of the Watch 5 Classic, indicating that the Watch 4 Classic marks the end of the Classic collection. No rotating bezel function also indicates that. The Professional could possess it, though, but a revolving bezel function was the most identifiable part of the Samsung Watch and the greatest input mechanism, and Ice Universe has already announced that the Watch 5 Pro won't have one. And in many respects, it served as Samsung's well-kept secret in the smartwatch market. Therefore, it seems strange that they are doing rid of this helpful tool. Having stated that, please think about subscribing for all the most recent information about this watch. I'll see you tomorrow.